Hello everybody, Team Tronics welcomes you with another project that our engineers have manufactured and designed. This has been greatly inspired from the road safety principles. We are usually carried away whenever we are traveling. Whilst driving, our hands are occupied somewhere else with our mobile phones. Therefore, Team Tronics, considering road safety measures, has presented a novel gadget that will detect your mobile phone whenever you will be seated inside your car, thereby raising a beeping sound till the time you are going to leave your mobile phone. Let me navigate you how this device actually works. So over here, we have this small circuit that can be installed inside your cars. Let's say you're keeping your mobile phone over here and you enter in your car and you're using the mobile phone with yourself. So right now you can see my mobile phone is on airplane mode, so there won't be any beeping sound. It's a very miniature beeping sound right now. So the moment I change it to a cellular system, so you can see, you can hear that the beeping sound is getting higher. So in order to kill this sound, what you need to do is you need to take your mobile phone and place it onto this thing. So the moment you place it onto this thing, the beeping sound vanishes away. So we are going to install this thing somewhere on the dashboard, and you have to place your mobile phone on the dashboard. Otherwise, this beeping sound will always remain the same. This is exactly the same mechanism where you put your seat belts into that socket unless the beeping sound vanishes away. So this has been inspired from that road safety manual. So again, if I remove this thing from this sensor, the beeping sound is there. So it's quite annoying. So you need to actually take out the mobile, put it away from your hands so that you can enjoy a smooth, comfortable and a safe drive. So this is the principle behind this entire mechanism that Team Tronics has presented. We greatly appreciate the road driving principles, and we encourage all the customers, all the users, all the people to follow the road principles effectively so that you can be secured and the others can be secured as well.